morning.
Okay,
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Good
Yeah,
afternoon,
Emmanuel
ma'am.
Jiffy.
ma'am.
Emmanuel Jiffy, switch on the video. The morning class, you are absent. I put absent for you. Now, if we are going to sit for video switch off, then also you are going to be absent. Sayum,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Chinmay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Angelina
I
Rose.
was not there for few days because I had some network issue.
I got the message from your mother, I think. Okay, your mother
Yes,
sent the
ma'am.
message. Okay, Fia. Okay, so I think we can start that very simple activity. Those who have chips or something, 2-3 pieces of that, you put in that pepper in you and fold it nicely. Fold it. Take 2-3 snacks, pieces of snacks. Suppose those are potato chips, take 2-3 pieces of potato chips. Just to show, raise it up because others can see that. What are you doing it? Okay. So let me give you Ananda. Okay. Okay. Just I want to see those who have snacks. Anushree, you don't have the snacks with you, no? Okay. Okay, fine. Let me just I show you the students, those who have. Okay. Getting total,
Ma'am,
how many
Fida
students
also
have?
Ma'am,
I have.
Anthony. Okay. So,
Rose.
can
you spotlight them?
yeah, let me on that spotlight. Now what do you do? Let me show others, those who have. Who else is there having?
Ma'am, Fida.
I have folded.
Okay, wait, I want to show you. Anthony, you have some snacks with you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let I
Fida
show
also
him.
have, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Nicely fold it, like crush it. Those who folding, you have to crush it with the pepper. With the pepper.
snacks.
Crush the snacks within the pepper, inside the pepper. Cover the pepper and then you crush it. Yes, I just to show you the Anthony. Where are you? Okay, because I want to show everyone. Don't get hurt of your this thing. Okay. Edwin Saji, do you have some snacks? No, you don't have snacks. Who else is having snacks?
Ma'am, Fida.
Fida. Where is Fida's video? 1 minute. Let me take
I
it.
will raise my hand, ma'am. You look at the first, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first.
1 minute. Pin. Anthony. Yes, Anthony. Fida also. I will add Fida also here. But Fida, I cannot see your name over here. Maybe Fia, no? Fida.
Fida, ma'am.
Angeline, Vaiga, Danai, Aditi, Christo, Pradhan, Ronicha. Fida. Okay. So Fida also come in the picture. Okay. Nicely crush it. With the pepper, you crush it. With the pepper, break it. Those who have someone is have mixture, you nicely powder it, mix like that, you do it. Clear? And then you raise it up because others want to see. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Man, they need to see too. You need to spotlight.
They can see now, no?
No, ma'am.
You can't
Only
see.
you can see.
You need to spotlight.
Spotlight. Okay, where it will come?
only see.
Speaker view.
Some amount of oil.
Click
spotlight for everyone.
Yeah, okay. Let me put in the participants more. Add a profile picture. No, where is the thing will come?
There will be 3 options. Yeah, ma'am. 3 dots, right? In the blue. 3 dots. That will be there.
In my place? No,
No,
not in
ma'am.
my. Participants?
Another.
No. Others.
Use-
View.
Yes,
Gallery
ma'am.
view.
Select anybody.
It's not come. 1 minute. Let me see the view. Speaker view. It's come.
Ma'am, you pin anyone and spotlight for anyone.
Now it is in speaker view. Now it is in speaker
you
view.
take the gallery view and you select one. So in the 3 dots, it will come spotlight for everyone.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, like that.
Spotlight for everyone. Okay, fine. Now you can see.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
And we can see Fida.
What about others? Now I have to shift others. No?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have to spotlight the other two people. If I adding pin means all three will come together. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
If you pin
Okay,
others,
I
you
just
can-
show Fida. Others just open that Fida and others.
And first you did
Okay,
right
ma'am.
spotlight. You can do like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next person is who is that? Who was
Ananda.
Okay, Ananda.
Ma'am,
Let me
Anthony.
see.
Anthony.
Anthony
Anthony,
also.
Ananda. Okay, Ananda, open your newspaper now. Open the newspaper.
Ma, can I open?
Open it. Anthony also open it. And put the snacks. Put in the box where you have. Only the newspaper you take it. Remove the snacks from this.
Yes,
Put
ma'am.
the snacks in the snacks back to the. You have SL or something. Put there. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, oil is there, ma'am.
That's what I wanted. Now you show that paper to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the oil content over there? Can you tell me?
The paper.
The paper.
You
Ma'am,
took
in
a
the middle.
you took a paper with a lot of colors. You should have taken the plain paper.
Ma'am, you can see
Ma'am,
my
it's
ma'am.
Fida.
Yes.
Fida.
Fida. Let me take
Ma'am, we
the
can-
Fidas. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So what do you see that? See Anandas, once you remove it, you can see oily patch. So that
Yes,
oily patch tells you that that food contains
it
the
does.
fat. Okay.
Fact.
Yes, ma'am.
Fida, where Fida? Anthony, did you took it?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Show Anthony. Yes. Where is the oil, Anthony? Show it. This one.
Ma'am,
Blackish
over
color.
here.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Clear.
Yes, we can.
Have you seen
Ma'am,
everyone?
Nandita's.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good, Anthony. Fida. Yeah.
Yes,
Fida,
ma'am.
show. Let me open.
Ma'am, you can see.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Anthony
Now we
also.
can see two of
Anthony
them.
also. All two of them. Fine. Now I also add Ananda also once again. So all three you will see. Okay. All of you show the papers. Fine. Yes. Yeah. So from all this, what you observe, there is a oily
It's
patch.
ma'am oily.
Oily in the
Okay,
middle.
thank you. All the three students, those who brought
Okay,
it,
ma'am.
and others also got understood. So this is a single activity. So it's not a big activity. Otherwise, as you know, it has got a fact. But in order to make it to prove that everything contain fat, all the food, all the fried items contain all the fat. It's a single activity. You also can do it once you know. You already know when you buy snacks from outside.
Yes,
like
ma'am. We
banana
already
fry.
know, ma'am.
Banana fry, you put it there and squeeze the oil out. So that oily
Yes,
patch
ma'am.
is the fat. So
Yes,
how the fat
ma'am.
looks like? Fat
if
look
we-
like oily patch.
Excuse me, ma'am. If we
Yes.
fry
Ma'am, in the shop, they will fry every time in one oil, ma'am.
That's why we told not to have it that. Okay.
Excuse
As you
me,
going, oil is going on boiling. What will happen? There's a chances of carbon. Carbon is more in it. So that will cause you cancer. That's the thing. That will cause you the cancer. Okay.
ma'am,
So
if
that's
we
why they are
if our
telling
mother
even
fry
at home. At home also, if your mother is frying the same thing in the same oil, tell mother, as a student, you can, Mama, please take another oil for it. So you can tell her.
at home.
Some people,
Mother will take every
even
time
my
another
mother,
oil because
even my
of-
mother, my mother, no, if she fries chicken nicely, they are old people, no, they don't understand all the tradition. So my mother usually chicken fried, she will use that oil again. So when I grew up, I told mummy, don't use that, you will get cancer and all. So she said, what cancer? This can, because those time we didn't have this kind of sickness, no. So now my mother stopped because now she is old and now she knows that doctor also told that don't use the oil too much, and she is a patient, diabetes patient. So now she understood that the income. So this is a Pure example in my life, I am telling you what will be the outcome. Once you use the oil, which is again we are using it, there will be a carbon content more. So that whether it's a vegetable oil, we learned vegetable oil consists of vitamin E, but you can use once. Don't use the same oil for again. So if a chicken and everything fry, you can take the enough, the not put more oil, whatever required for the chicken, that you can have it. And that oil, we can make chicken curry, that's not a problem. But again, don't put other things to fry, going on fry. Okay, that's it. That's
Ma'am,
not good.
our mothers used to, if any they fry anything, they will put in tissue paper.
Tissue. Yeah.
So we can see that oil clearly.
Not only
Ma'am,
oil,
the
that
tissue will
tissue paper absorb the oil. Okay, dear.
Yes.
Fine. So now we are moving. That is the one activity of fat, to know that whether the food contains fat. Similarly, there is another activity that we cannot do, but we can explain. Activity to find the test for protein. So this is a student. So this is also is a test for, I know the picture, the words are not clear, but I can just explain to you. So he has seen that the boy has taken, here we cannot, we cannot do it at home unless you buy two chemicals. So there are two chemicals required for us. One is copper sulfate. Caustic soda. Caustic soda means surf, the surf water, what we use our clothes to wash. So caustic soda available. If you don't get caustic soda, you can take the surf water. Copper sulfate, it is a mixture of copper and sulfur and oxygen. So copper, you know, it contains a vitamin. Copper is a mineral. Copper is a mineral, you know, but sulfur is not a mineral.
In school we can do it.
Cool, we can do, because in the lab we have copper sulfate plenty. It's in blue in color. So what we have to do means, you have to take a food, whether it's what you call, maybe the protein rich food, what we have pulses. You can just make a chana dal, which is cooked chana dal, and make the chana dal as a paste. Okay, make it paste, and then put it in one of the container or a test tube. Okay. And in that, we have to put first water. So just imagine I am now, 1 minute. I am now, let me change the color.
Ma'am, this point is there in the textbook, ma'am.
Textbook, yeah. Textbook, it is there, but it is given as a elaborately. I am just giving as a point wise for you to understand. Okay. So this is the test tube. Just imagine. So you have a dal paste inside the test tube over here. Now you put some part of water over here. Okay, maybe half some water. Afterwards, what you put? You will put 2 drops of copper sulfate. We can add 2 drops of copper sulfate, and in that we can add few drops of, it's gone. Okay. Then 2 drops of caustic soda. After putting the water, you can see 2 drops of caustic soda, that is soap solution, and 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution is blue in color, and caustic soda, you know, it is white in color. It's a soap powder. Now, as you observe, what will happen means, when you observe that, what you see means, you will see this solution slowly turn into violet color. That's what I am drawing on the top of it. Clear? After some time, if you observe, you keep it that for some time, and you will see that solution is turn into violet color. So,
Ma'am,
the violet color, a violet color solution is C. The violet color solution is C.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes. Tell me.
ma'am, I'm Sina. I do what, ma'am? I do this thing.
You can do this. Do you have copper sulfate at home?
No, ma'am, that not thing. Another I do in my home.
What you do? Tell me, Royce.
I take rice water, right, ma'am?
Rice water. Okay.
And
Then
rock salt
rock salt. Okay, rock salt. Fine.
and
Then
lemon juice. Lemon juice.
lemon juice. Okay, fine. Then
Take
what
a
you
bowl
will get?
and put. Then take a bowl and put the rice water and mix it and put some lemon juice and mix it. Then put rock salt. It become purple, ma'am.
That is acid test, my dear. Royce, that is we are testing acid.
Not Royce, it is Sienna.
Sienna. Okay, Sienna. Okay, Sienna. Sienna, that is the acid test. We are going to check whether acid or base. Okay. So this
Okay,
is only to test whether the protein is there or present. Okay. For that, whether the food contains protein, we can do that in this way. Okay, adding caustic soda, 2 drops, and 2 drops of copper sulfate in that
Ma'am, if the food
mixture.
does not contain protein, means
Protein,
what color?
it become no color. Colorless it is going to be. Okay, maybe
Okay, ma'am.
a little bit blue because the copper sulfate is blue in color. So you may get little bit bluish color over there because of the presence of copper sulfate. Otherwise, if there is protein, it should be violet color. And why I am teaching all this? In the MCQ question, there will be question asked you, in which whenever you do the test to check the protein, in which color the protein will, means which color indicate the presence of protein. So what should be your answer? Maybe different colors I will be given to you. Red, violet, green.
Violet.
So you have to choose violet. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
that will come or another questions made.
There are 3 tests now. Fat is there, fat test is there. Then we have protein test is there. Then starch test. Starch test means the same as it is. Take the boiled rice. Okay. Boiled rice. And then what you have to check whether it contains carbohydrates or not. Okay, 1 minute, children. Just come.
Ma'am, there is one thing, right? Oblak. If we put
Man bench. Potato with two, right? Potatoes and corn.
there is thing called oblak. If we put
Textbook with you?
Ma'am, there is one thing called oblak. If we put cornstarch in water and mix it, when we punch it, it will act as a solid object. And when we just keep it calm, it will look as liquid.
Okay. Children, do you have the textbook for you in your hand?
Yes, ma'am.
And go to that page number 9. You have page number 9 over there. That is the test for starch. So there are 3 activities. Already test for fat we have done. That's very simple. We have done and we found a oily patch over there. Next, test for protein I just explained to you. So page
Can you
number
tell
9.
the page number again?
Page number 9. Page number 9.
Okay, ma'am. One question will come to
In that also there is a color change when you want to check it. Okay. So for that, what you do? If you take a raw rice means the rice is cooked or boiled rice, either boiled rice. Take boiled rice. And there we put iodine solution. Iodine is a mineral. Okay.
Ma'am, it is in violet color.
Iodine is more or less in a violet color. And this is what we use to in the hospital. When you get a cut and all, what they do means the nurses will be first to clean your wound and they will put one type of black thing, one ointment in that. And they will dress it up. That means they put the bandage. Clear? So that is a part of a iodine solution. It is violet in color.
That we will call betadine, right, ma'am?
Betadine. Betadine is the compound of iodine and plus some other medicine. Okay. So even you have betadine, you can do this experiment. If you have betadine at home, just put in the boiled rice that betadine ointment. You just try whether it turn into which color it will turn into blue-black color.
Blue black color.
The blue-black color indicates the presence of starch.
And once again, you can tell how
And it starts good.
I
we
repeat
put
once again.
rice water, ma'am.
Take rice water also you can put. Either you can take a boiled rice,
Ma'am,
make it a paste. Take boiled rice, make it a paste, and make iodine solution. Iodine means betadine. You put some little water or something, make it a solution, and then iodine solution. Put 2-3 drops on the boiled rice where you have taken. Then this boiled rice will be turned into blue-black color. If it is not
Can I
turning,
leave? My charge is very low, ma'am.
okay, go and charge it. Okay, if it is not turning into blue-black color, that means that there is no starch in it. Okay, so if there is blue,
starch good for health.
starch is the storage of carbohydrate. What is carbohydrates? Already we have learned it, correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
when you digest, actually whenever you eat the food, it is the starch which is converting into carbohydrates. Already we have learned carbohydrates is a nutrient. So actually starch is the carbohydrate.
And test
So
of starch will change into blue black color.
yeah,
Test
if it
of
is
protein
blue,
will change into violet. The test
yes,
of fats.
oily patch. Okay. So
Ma'am also can take potato for this test.
yes, potato also very good for it. Potato, even for protein test also we can take potatoes. Potato, tapioca, all these are rich in carbohydrates. I think someone's video, TV sound. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Aditi.
Can you mute it?
Madhi.
TV sound is coming. Yes. Now no sound. I think from Aditi's thing. Okay. So dear, so don't just switch video, maybe TV sound or whatever it is coming. Fine. So you got it 3 tests. Test for starch, test for protein, test for fat. So for MCQ question, how it come? I can ask you the color. Suppose in which color indicates the presence of starch in a food? I can give you blue, black color, red color, violet color. I can give that also. Then you can select blue, black. Suppose it is protein, you have to select the
Violet.
violet color. Violet. Fat means it is oily patch.
Oily.
No color like that. It is a patch of the oil. That's the meaning of it. Clear? So
Clear,
this is
ma'am.
this is for MCQ format. How from this activity the question can come. For your suppose you are going to have a descriptive question answers in future. I meant to say maybe term 1, term 2 like that. Then this activity can be
Hello, ma'am. Power failure.
Ma'am.
Power
Failure.
connection issue.
Maybe there's raining there.
Power failure. Not a power failure.
Power failure.
Maybe
Yes, it's raining there, I think.
Please mute.
this power failure. Connected.
Power failure.
Here also raining.
Here too. Heavy raining.
Ananda, can you please mute?
Felix is host.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear us?
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Okay, children. So that is difficult to
Can you
technical
hear us,
error.
ma'am?
So what I told you that
Ma'am, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear Siddharth. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
can you hear me?
Yes, I can
Okay,
hear
ma'am.
you. Okay. Okay, children. Suppose in future, if you are going to have descriptive answers, then you need to learn how this activity can be done. Clear? That's it.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
children.
attendance, ma'am.
Shall we now 5 more minutes? Shall we can discuss now about another diseases. So we complete the iodine test.
Attendance.
Attendance already I have taken. So now I will be starting for you. One more.
Ma'am, can you place the mic properly so it will be somehow?
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So shall we go back to our
Yes.
let me say let's come out. Yeah. Okay. We are now moving on to the diseases. So in the morning session, we
Ma'am,
have
you did not share this.
Share.
Sure, I'll share. Wait.
You didn't share.
I will just wait. I am just taking up that slide. 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh God, it's God. 1 minute, children.
Okay, ma'am.
I think you have the textbook with you.
Yes, ma'am.
We have the test.
Ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, 1 minute. So all of you take that textbook.
Page number.
Page number 16.
Page number
No? 16. Page number 16.
16, right?
16. 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we have completed vitamin B1. What's the name of the vitamin B1, dear?
Very, very.
Very. What is the? Can you read? Anusri, what is that? It is written.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, weak muscles and very little energy to work.
Okay, so that is very given very simply. It is given very simple way. Now we are moving on to the next one. Scurvy. Scurvy is the next diseases due to the lack of vitamin C. Okay, let us see what is scurvy. Scurvy has lot of
Bleeding gums won't take longer.
bleeding gum. That means some people will have get a simply the teeth start teeth, no, the gums which is connecting the teeth that started bleeding. So it is not only so not only bleeding, there's a lot of things. So okay, due to vitamin C, those who have scurvy, they will have high fever. Okay, in this they are given very simple thing. I'm just explaining to you. It is not only bleeding gum. It's also an example for high fever, then bleeding in the gums, lethargy and fatigue. Fatigue means whenever you go to school, whenever you sit there to study, you don't feel like studying and you look very tired. Just like a berry, you also become very tired. Then one is anemia. Anemia is something like that. The blood will have bad blood. Bad blood will be collected on your thighs, on your knees. There will be a red color rashes on your body. So that is why you can see there's a there's a picture. Can you see the knees over that boy over there? So there is some reddish color over there. So this is anemia. Due to anemia, it is also vitamin C. It's a symptom of scurvy. It's a symptom of scurvy. You also learning anemia due to deficiency of iron later. Okay, that also you are learning. But this is without vitamin C. You can see the bruises, and this wound and all not be healed very fast. If you get bruises, swelling, and some part it will be reddish color. Okay, so these are the symptom of a person who has scurvy. So with vitamin C, look at this knee, how good and how healthy it is. Without vitamin C, you can see the thing. It's
There is
not
no
only,
red color.
there is no red color if you are rich in vitamin C, but there is red color and wound. Simply your body will get a cut, and then it will not heal fast. It will not heal
Ma'am, I
fast.
don't have.
So,
I don't have
Time to heal, right?
and because why? Vitamin C is very important for making our bones and teeth strong. So that's the reason of all this. Okay. So that is about scurvy. The next is we are moving on to rickets. Rickets is the deficiency of vitamin D. Okay. Look at this boys. It's a cartoon picture. Look at his legs, his eyes, his hands, and all this. It's not growing. So many things. Standard growth. Standard growth means like a undapakru. The body may not grow. You have lot of people like that, no?
Yes,
Guinness
ma'am.
pakru.
Yes,
Those who
ma'am.
are body is not grown properly. Then large forehead. Some the children and the people don't look normal. You see the Guinness pakru's face is big, body is small. So like
Yes,
that, so
ma'am.
many people we are short people. We call them dwarf, no? We call them dwarfs in English. Giants and dwarfs. Okay, kullama we will call them. Okay.
Ma'am.
So,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
see,
No,
breastbone.
the seventh.
Ribs and all not proper. The elbows are not okay. Legs are just like a bending like this. And this is the picture of a child who has a ricket. And this is the structure of the rickets. See, without ricket, your bone, this bone is looking very healthy. Okay, and nothing over here. No holes and all. But look at here. See, look at here. See, so your bones are have some problem. Yeah, here nothing, but here there is some reddish thing to tell you that your bone is not healthy, and also you started bending. Your legs start bending, and look at the structure of it. There is some dark spots over there. Here we don't have many dark spots. So this is about the rickets. Okay, children. So
Okay, ma'am.
we completed up to vitamin
Ma'am.
D. Next class we will learn about calcium, iodine, and
ma'am.
iron. Okay, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So now
Okay, ma'am.
some of you
Okay, ma'am.
who is not present in my first class is present. So I wanted to know, Emmanuel, I just called him, but he just disappeared. So
I was
those
not there in
students-
first class.
yes. So
Angelina Rose.
Angela Rose. So all of you try to
I was not there.
come to all the classes. Angelis Relics, Anchin Pranav, you all came just now.
Some network issue.
Okay, ma'am.
I was there in the last class.
Okay. Fine.
I was there.
Attendance already I marked in the morning session. And
Okay,
those who
ma'am.
present, I will check. Okay, fine.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
children.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.